What inspired us to start this internship program here at Apryse was we wanted to give back to the community. We started this about 3 years ago. When you're in school and you're learning, it's very theoretical. The real world and hands-on experience that they're getting from this program. I talked to them afterwards. A few of them are pursuing a career or a field or a degree in this field because of the program. A few of them said that they had a couple more programming classes in high school afterwards, and they were able to ace them and get top marks because of what they did in this program. And that's really what I want them to take out of this.
This internship experience is something that I wish I had when I was in school. So getting to show the kids how to actually develop applications and write code and do stuff that you don't get to learn in regular schooling is the main focus. The most important skill that we're trying to teach them is critical thinking. I like to phrase it like letting them suffer a little bit, because that's how you figure things out in the real world, in the tech industry. You sit there, you try something, and when it doesn't work, you try something else, and you keep doing it until you get the right answer.
I was expecting more of a shadowing experience, especially with my age and my experience level, but the people at Apryse really made me feel included in what they were doing, and it was really cool to work on real projects and have real impacts on the things they're doing here at Apryse. Coding takes a lot of trial and error, working over and over again to fix whatever problems or bugs are in your code. It's hard not to grow as a person when you spend so long doing one thing and feeling defeated over and over again, but when you finally get to the end, it's so rewarding.
What I found most enjoyable about this internship was definitely the relationships that I made. I think those are connections that I can always reach out to, whether college or beyond, ask for help, ask for advice, especially my peers. Those are relationships that I'll take with me forever.
It definitely felt like I got a head start thinking about my career and what it looks like to really dive into tasks. In high school, you're just learning a lot of theory and syntax and common algorithms. Here, you really get to have hands-on experience tackling actual projects. We got to do some AI research while we were here. We got to, work with user experience, and it basically just gave me a head start on what I plan to do in my career.